Okay, here's a follow-up on my microgreens. They're not that tall, but keep in mind they are food. They're micronutritious. They're growing pretty good actually to be cold outside. I don't have the temperature in here very warm, so that, and I got grow lights, of course. This is just one cabinet. I only did this for a demonstration to help people know how to grow microgreens. If you see, this is still got nutrient in the bottom here. On this paper towel wicking system goes up, it goes through this, tucks it in, goes across the top and back down, and cut slot back there, and it goes through it. And it wicks up the nutrition from the solution below. Now, these are pretty good. You see, they're still white and healthy. These are just little radishes. Actually, they taste like a radish, but they're not bitter. They're really tender. And you can cut them off right here at the root, right above the root system. And you can throw the paper away, or you can compost it. But this is just a follow-up on my microgreens. I got to get to work, though. So, also, I'd like to mention that we had an inch or two of ice outside, and these microgreens are not hurt by it because they are actually inside. So you can do this year-round, through the dead of cold set of winter. You can still do this as long as you got some kind of heat. Also, this is in the privacy of your own home. And me, I have a stealth cabinet, which I don't use that much right now. But if I wanted to shut this cabinet and lock it up, I absolutely could. So that might be a consideration. When the lights are off, I have the lights on a timer. You can see, my timer. I have the lights on a timer. I get 7 hours off and the rest on. But yeah. So I hope you like this video. This is just an old room. Yes, have a good day.